Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be having a quick look at these new Derwent Coloursoft skin tones that I treated myself to last week. I actually went to go and buy my bedding plants and came back with these. Our local garden centre has a big stand full of Derwent things, so as I was passing I was tempted, I'm afraid. So it's the 6 pencils and the Coloursoft ones, and we've got 6 skin tones. So I thought we would have a go with those today. So they come in that box with all the information on there, but the nice thing is they're actually in their own little tin as well. So a really handy tin for travelling and things. And they also have their own pencil sharpener. I haven't needed to use the pencil sharpener, but that's good that they come with that. So we've got the 6 colours. We've got cream, blush pink, pink, ochre, dark terracotta and brown earth. So they're all written on the side, sorry I should turn it the right way up, with the number on there. So a really nice little set. The only thing I would say is perhaps with a skin tone set it would be nice to have a blue in there. But you know, you could go on and on with all sorts of different colours, couldn't you? But it's, you know, a nice range of colours. So to test them out, I don't do loads of pencil drawing, as you know. I prefer to use my paints most of the time, so I don't own lots of pencils, so I've not got anything really to compare them to, but I did really like using them. And to test them out, I thought I would just copy from one of my life sketches in my sketchbook that I take along to life drawing on a Saturday. So this sketch here is done on a pink pig paper, and this is a cappuccino coloured paper. And it's just done using Conte crayon. So the good thing about me copying this to try these out was that I'm not hung up on a photograph and the colours that are in that photograph when I've not got the subject in front of me. So I could use every colour that's in the set and just have a play with the colours and not worry about where I was putting them really. So it's good to work from your own sketches because you end up with a much more unique, individual and more imaginative picture than you would have done if you just worked from a photograph. So I've actually made her body a little bit shorter. In the original I think she was a little bit long, and I've seated a bit more, she looks a bit more firmly sat down on that. But apart from that I've tried to keep her very similar. She's a little bit smaller on this one obviously. So I did really like using them. They were nice and soft, as the name suggests. They're called Coloursoft, so they should be. I used different strokes, so I've got a mixture of sketching to get the line, and then I used, you'll see that when I'm drawing I use a rotating stroke to get some cover and to also blend the colours in together. And I also use my finger a little bit to blend some of those colours. If I was doing this one again, I probably wouldn't have put that brown earth one on some of the areas that I have, but because it was the first time I was using them and I wanted to see the colours, I did do that. One thing I would say about them is they're all very nice warm colours. You've got no cool colours in there at all. I'm just looking there, that one's a bit tidying up. So this is the Derwent eraser, and it's one that I've had for ages that I use a lot. And that works really well with these as well if you want to sort of tidy up at the end there. Okay, oh, and I should say what the paper is. So this paper is a sea white sketchbook. So it's a really nice white smooth paper. So how your pencils work is really going to depend on your paper as well. You know, you might want to try them on a few different papers. But I really like them. I will use them again. I'd like to have a go at a portrait with them and see how that goes. So if you've got them, let me know what you think in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll put this time lapse on now. I did miss a few minutes at the beginning where I was doing the initial sketch. So the initial sketch of me copying this was done using the ochre. So I sort of set off with the lighter colours really. I set off with the ochre and this cream, then went on to the pinks and then the browns at the end. This pink here, the one that's called blush pink, is very corally. It's quite an orange pink. You perhaps wouldn't want to use that too much sometimes as well. So when you are working like this and you haven't got the subject in front of you and you want to think about where your pinks and your red colours are going to be, just think about where the sunlight hits your skin more, and also where the blood flow is closer to the surface of your skin, so on the backs of your ears and your cheeks and things like that, but also on your bones. You're gonna, you know, if you've got a suntan, you're going to catch it more on the edges. So just think about looking at your own arms, your own elbows and hands and everything else to see where the pinkest colours are. But I was just trying to get the tones similar to I got them on here, and also it's quite a few weeks ago since I did this one, so trying to get my memory to go back and remember the model. So that was quite difficult as well, but it's a good exercise, it makes you think. Okay, so like I say, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be back again soon with another video, and in the meantime, you enjoy your painting and drawing. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.